Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up waypoints for easy travel in Genshin Impact. Waypoints in Genshin Impact are teleport wayouts scattered across Teyvat. Activating them allows you to fast travel anywhere on the map, saving time and improving efficiency while exploring or completing quests. First of all, open your Genshin Impact application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Now once you're inside the game, tap on the map icon at the top left corner. Once you do that, this will show the entire Teyvat map with your current location. Look for the blue diamond shape with a sparkle effect on the map. Tap on it and these you are seeing is inactive waypoints if they are grayed out, but if it is not grayed out, then you can teleport. Simply tap on the teleport button and this will move your character to the location of the waypoint in the game world. Some waypoints may require climbing, gliding, or defeating enemies nearby. You can now explore the map and activate all waypoints in each region. These activated waypoints will appear on your map and can be used instantly for travel. And that's how you successfully set up waypoints for easy travel in Genshin Impact. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.